Hey guys, welcome back. I have a problem. I just can't stop buying stuff for this GS. I did it again. Bought some more stuff. Today's episode entails the Evotech Radiator Guards. These are not plastic like the OEM ones. These are metal and aluminum, I presume. I think they look awesome. They have this kind of like X design embossed in them, right? So I love Evotech stuff. I had Evotech guards, radiator guards, and engine guards on my Ducatis, on my Triumph. These guys make awesome stuff. Obviously, you've seen some of the Evotech stuff that I put on the bike already. So here it is. I like the blue. They're usually green. Their brand is usually green, but they put blue on this because of the BMW blue, I guess. And it's awesome. So let me put all these little farkles together on this and put it on. All right, gang. So here it is with those little nuts and spacers installed, right? So you just put in these little metal nuts, right? Put this little spacer here on it, and then you bolt it in. So there's 4 of those, and then there's 4 rubber grommets that go on each one of these, right? So 8 in total for all of them. And so let's put them on. So here you have them. Took about 30 seconds to pop them in. Super easy. I love this blue, by the way, the blue and white. It's gonna match really nice with the BMW blue emblem, as well as, you know, potentially me going with a blue theme, so stay tuned for that. But there you have it. The tabs go into here, and here and here. So there's 4 of them come into place, and they stay on. That's it. Here's the other side. I think these look awesome. Add some protection. There's that DBK telelever joint protector, and there you go. Comment down below, hit those like buttons, and let me know what you guys think. Till next time.